And we in this game. Hey, I was playing. I got a little update. I know it's kind of windy. I know y'all hear cars, but I'm at work with it. On the scooter early in the morning. Oh shit! Almost fell. Because it's a secret that I gotta keep. Early in the morning with it, kissing the sunlight. Thanksgiving dinner today. I know y'all see that. That's that Hellcat, that wide body. Vroom, vroom. What? Oh. Oh, too bright. So today, we got Thanksgiving dinner at the job. But until then, you feel me? We're gonna talk about it now. I changed my YouTube channel to Do It All Vlogs because Eccentric Athlete is no longer floating in this boat. You feel me? I got something bigger and better. We're gonna get it.
Ain't gonna let that bitch blow. No. I know how to change the oil.
We're gonna get it lit. I just playing. I don't know what the hell I just did. But yeah, we got some new things I wanna do. Big plans, big plans. Don't judge. But yeah. Further down the line, you feel me? It's cold out here, my lips getting chopped. But yeah, I just want to post something on my new channel. I had to change the Eccentric Athlete because, you feel me, football season, I got surprised. I'm just not gonna tell y'all right now. Got the SRT, go vroom vroom all in the. Okay, where we going? In a what? Where we going? Okay. I know y'all see the SRT right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get the key for y'all so we can get it started up, you feel me? Enjoy the video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share the video. You feel me? Just get me up there. If I'm up, we up. You feel me? And watch what I do for y'all.